Hello students. So in this lecture we will get introduced to the Excel operators. Excel operators are very important. So let's see the Excel operators, their symbol and their functionality. So first is a percentage operator. So the symbol is percentage and the precedence is 1. What do you mean by precedence is like in mathematics you have learned board mass, brackets, orders, division, and so on. So there is also precedence in Excel, wherein Excel will calculate percentage first. Whether percentage is given in last in the formula, still the Excel will calculate percentage first. So the percentage has got a precedence 1. Next is a Carnot sign, that is exponential. Exponential means 2 raised to 2 is 4. 2 cube is 8. So that is called as exponential sign, and it is represented by a caret sign. This is the sign. Next is asterisk. Asterisk is multiplication. Its precedence is 3rd, and this is the symbol. Next is division. Symbol is /. This is the symbol. The division is also on 3rd precedence. So whichever is written earlier, it will get calculated first. Next comes addition. This is the symbol. Subtraction. This is the symbol. And ampersand sign, that is concatenation. This is basically a text operator where ampersand sign, concatenation, is used to connect the two text strings. So two text strings. It has got a precedence 6. Next comes logical operators. So logical operators are just used for comparison. So when you use the logical operator, you will get the answer either in true or false. So just for equal to, for example, whether in this G5 is equal to H5, it will give answer as false because G5 has got value 10 and H5 has got value 20, and that both are not equal, so the answer will be false. So logical operators are used for comparison. So right angle bracket represents greater than, and they have got the same precedence. So whichever you have written earlier, it will calculate first. So left angle bracket less than, right angle bracket and equal to represents greater than and equal to, left angle bracket and equal to represents less than equal to, and angle brackets represents not equal to. So these are basic operators used in Excel and their precedence. So precedence is very important, to know the precedence which will get calculated first. It doesn't mind if the percentage is written at the last or multiplication is last. As per the precedence, Excel is going to calculate. In next lecture we will see how it is done practically. We will get introduced to writing small formulas. So keep on watching and keep on learning. Thank you very much.